welcome to the channel. Let's make our weekly loaf of bread. I got this book from my mother-in-law on Thanksgiving, and I'm actually pretty excited to finally start making recipes from this book because I really love to make bread, and I think I'm actually going to make it a series. I'm going to make one bread each week from this book. What do you guys think? I think that'll be fun because I like to make bread, and I'm sure you guys like watching bread videos. And so let's make our bread for today. I don't know which one I'm gonna make yet, so I'm just gonna think about it for a little bit and we'll start making the bread. This book is so cool. It has about 100 recipes. Today though, I think I'm gonna make the Cuban bread.
Mama.
Yeah, hold on.